Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo laptop. This one is a Lenovo Ideapad 330-15 AST. The model name is an 81D6. That information can be found on the bottom of the laptop, on the sticker, or inside the BIOS. In this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can install the Windows. I made a really short video how to create your Windows USB boot drive. I'll leave that link in the video description. And in this video I'm not going to for you guys how to create your Windows. You can check that link. How to create your Windows 10 or 11 is the same thing, just change the numbers to 11. In this video we're just going to install it. In this case I have a Windows 11. So let's say we have upgraded this hard drive to an SSD storage, and now we're going to install the storage. If you haven't upgraded, you just simply want to format. It's the same thing. Plug in the USB in one of the ports, plug in the charger, and you want to power on the laptop. Let me see. And then you want to keep tapping on F12. Keep tapping on F12 until you see a boot menu. I hear a beep. I keep tapping on it. And there we have the boot menu. In the boot menu, you want to use the arrow keys to go up and down. You want to choose your USB hard drive, USB HDD, and which mine is Samsung. Don't choose your storage, this one here, and press enter. This one is we're gonna be installing a Spanish version, but the steps and all the options are in the same place. I'll take you on a step by step what I'm clicking. So you want to choose your language, your everything that you need, English. Click next. Click in the middle which says install now. Right here, you're going to terms and licensing. Click I accept the terms and licensing. If you want to read it, go ahead, take your time reading it. Click next. In here, where it's important, you don't want to do an update. You want to click on the bottom portion here. Is a customize. Click on the customize. And in here, it's going to take you on the hard drive partition. You're going to say drive 0, drive 0. You're going to have like many drive zeros. You want to click on every one of them, and you want to click delete on every single one of them. Just click and click delete. Doesn't matter if you have 4 to 5 of them, just click erase all of them. So you have one big drive 0 partition. And then you don't want to click on new. You just want to click next, select it, and click next. And that's it. Now you just sit back and grab yourself a coffee and give it about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's going to install the Windows. It's going to reboot once or twice, and it's going to take you out to a welcome screen. And inside the welcome screen, we are not going to connect to the internet. That's the key part. You do not want to choose any Wi-Fi connection, or make sure you don't have any cable connected to the modem at all. That's very crucial for this process. So I'm just going to let this one go. And once we are in the configuration welcome screen, I'll explain. Alright, so it's going to do a restart. So it's done its first restart right now. So we're going to let this one go. It's going to prepare, and it's going to do one more restart after this. Alright, we are almost there. It says one moment, and it's working through the steps. And we should be there. For the time of recording, without any skipping, I've been going at 5 minutes and 9 minutes, exactly 10 minutes right now, 9:50 seconds. 10 minutes exactly since I started this video. I might have fast forwarded for you guys, but it's been 10 minutes straight, and we are almost down in the desktop. So it's super easy to do this process. Now we are in the welcome. And it says Cortana. You want to just mute Cortana right in the corner. Just mute it. And then next. Just wait for a second. Don't need to click anything. As soon as it doesn't hear your voice, it's going to go to the next step. Just wait. Next. Click your region. Click next. For the keyboard layout, I believe it's going to be next. Yes, keyboard layout, just leave the way it is. Click next and click escape. Now it's gonna come the Wi-Fi part, I believe. Yes. In a Wi-Fi part, even if you have a Wi-Fi, just click I don't have Wi-Fi. Click I don't have Wi-Fi. In this step, you want to click limited configuration. Don't click on now. Just click limited configuration. And put the name, Lenovo, next. Password, I'll leave it blank. In here, I'll leave the privacy, remove all the checks. I don't like leaving them on. So I just click uncheck everything in here. Then click I accept. Next step, click not now. And now we should take us to the desktop. Alright, now that we are in the desktop, what you want to do, you want to click the edge later. You want to go to start menu and you see all these arrows right in here. There's a whole bunch of them in here. You want to right click on one of them and click on pin. You want to unpin them before you connect to internet. Click on all of them. In here, just click the whole thing, unpin all of them. These are the affiliated programs and all those Candy Crush, all those garbage that get installed on your computer as soon as you get an internet connection. So once you remove all this, then you want to connect to the Wi-Fi or with a cable, and then you want to go to a configuration and then do a Windows update. Once you do the Windows update, it's going to take about 20-30 minutes to download all the updates, and it's going to do a few restarts, and you're going to have all the drivers for the camera, for the trackpad, everything is going to be installed automatically. So a couple of updates and you're ready to go. And that should cover up today's video. I hope this video helped you guys to install your own Windows on Lenovo Ideapad 330 15ASD. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.